What's going on, everybody? CRC here, back with you. Got some more action from this weekend's Past Fun Fly. This is my Helio Reverb, doing a little bit of night chasing a flight test guinea pig actually being flown by Tiny Whoop team pilot BLUJFPV, and I'm going to put a link down in the description. Check out his page. He's got some cool videos from this weekend and just all that cool Tiny Whoop stuff if you're into that. He actually flew through some fireworks, which was pretty amazing. Kid's great. But anyway, that's his guinea pig, or guinea, whatever they call it. And this is the first time I had ever chased anything at all, so it was pretty interesting. I did have the GoPro on, but as you know, it was way too dark for the GoPro to just capture anything. We were standing next to each other, communicating that he was going to be going low and going high, and there was, as you can see, a couple other aircraft up in the air doing some night flying or low light flying, whatever you want to call it. But it was a great time. It was really fun. And, you know, the DVR looks okay. Luckily, you know, we're out there in the middle of nowhere, so we don't get any breakup. I bumped up the exposure just a little bit and desaturated it just a tad, so everything would just kind of come through a little bit better. You can see I overshoot him a couple times. Did a nice turnaround there. That was pretty cool. Then coming up in one of these scenes, he actually does like some rolls and stuff like that, so we're just kind of getting our footing together and communication and trying to figure out what speeds we actually needed to fly at. But very impressed with like the shots that we ended up getting. It was really easy to keep them in center frame the whole time. Got a nice wide angle lens there, and got the Helio Reverb really tuned well, so it pretty much goes exactly where I want it to go with no tricks or anything like that. I know exactly what's going to happen. There you go. Nice loop there, Wes. That was pretty sweet. I think at one point I get ahead of him right here, and I think I end up following this glider up in the air that this guy had out there, which is just like a big old winged glider. You can see it going there to the left, and the thing has LEDs like all in it, and it just glows like crazy. I'm coming up on its tail right now, and he flew this a couple times, and you can just see how bright it is. It actually shows up in the GoPro very well. It looks like a big like UFO or something just kind of flying in the sky. So that's gonna do it. Obviously nobody wants to watch 5 minutes of this, so we'll just make it 3 minutes and 20 seconds. So check out the channels, and we'll see you guys later.